All right, problem number one. In this Elias Academy, we're going to be doing strictly locus problems, and I believe every single one will be compound locus. So with any locus problem, whether it's individual or compound locus, there's a key word you're going to focus in on, and that would be from, because immediately after it, it will tell you the condition that your locus is supposed to satisfy. So if I'm from a point, my locus is going to look like a circle, right? Like that circle there. If my condition were from 2 points, if they listed 2 points right after the word from, then my locus would be the perpendicular bisector. The perpendicular bisector. So in all of these problems, the first column is going to represent the condition, and the second and third columns will represent a text description of the locus and a visual description of our locus. So anything in red will be the condition, anything in blue will be the locus, and I'll try and dot my locus. So let's read the first problem. It says distance between points P and Q, okay, P and Q, they're capital letters, therefore they're points, and I'm going to draw that. That's 8 units, okay? So they're giving me some scale, so I'm going to find the middle, and I know from P to the middle I'll call M is 4, and from M to the end Q is 4. Let's keep on reading. How many points are equidistant from? All right, there's our first from. So it's from point P and Q. Okay, that's 2 points. Our first condition is from 2 points. And then we also have another condition, also 3 units from point P. So that's 1 point. That's why I have these 2 conditions here. We're going to do the locus for 2 conditions, and we'll do them separately. So let's do the first one first. So from P and Q, right? So when I'm given 2 points, my locus is going to be the perpendicular bisector of that segment. I'm going to have to go through the middle, and I'm going to have to be making a right angle. So I'm going to go through the middle of that segment, okay? And that's the locus, and I'm making a right angle. So boom, done with that one. Check that one off. And then it says 3 units from point P. Okay. So 3 units from point P. Here is point P. Found it. And then 3 units. Well, I know if I go to my midpoint, that's 4. If I were to go to my midpoint, that's too much. That's too much. So I'd say it's about here. All right. So this is about 3. About down here is 3. Up here, and then kind of off the screen. So when I fill in that circle, it's going to look something like that. So how many points are equidistant from both of these conditions? And it turns out what we're looking for is the intersection of our locus, okay, where our loci intersect. And in this particular problem, they don't intersect. So 0 points. 0 points would be the solution for number 1. Kind of a tricky one to start off with.